Hey guys, welcome to another video of SAP EWM Basics. Most of the junior consultants are going to face difficult questions. So one of the question is like this: how to track and trace same product in multiple plants which are assigned to the same warehouse. That means, let's say RKW is a warehouse which is assigned to 𝘰𝗵𝗄𝗃, 𝘰𝗵𝐶𝗃, 𝘰𝗵𝐵𝗃, Hyderabad plant, Chennai plant and Bangalore plant. So let's say the XC material with 50 quantity, 20 quantity, 30 quantity, these three different quantities are lying in these three plants but belongs to one warehouse. So how to differentiate from the stock overview in the monitor? So we can differentiate through multiple party intel dispose, guys. So this 𝘰𝗵𝗄𝗃 plant will be assigned to a PED called PED1, then 𝘰𝗵𝐶𝗃 will be assigned to PED2, 𝘰𝗵𝐵𝗃 will be assigned to PED3. So whenever we receive the stock in RKW warehouse, but it belongs to the Chennai plant, so against to this product 20 quantity, clearly we can see PED2 means it belongs to Chennai plant. If we receive in Bangalore plant 30 quantity of X material, PED3 belongs to Bangalore plant. But don't assign this PED to the warehouse, since we have multiple PEDs to the same warehouse. While creating product master, you can create the product master with the PEDs. In this case, we are going to create the product master with three PEDs: PED1, PED2, PED3. For more detailed configurations, master data and testing, contact to given numbers.